Oh, great. Another email from Anna in England. Let's see. What does she say? Hi, Maria. Thank you for your email. Here's a video of our house. See you soon, Anna.
Hi, this is my house. There's a big garden and there are some trees. Here, Archie! Here, Archie! Here, Archie! Downstairs, there are 3 rooms. There's a living room, a study, and a kitchen. And there's a hall. In the living room, there's a piano, a fireplace, and a television. Oh, and there's an armchair and a sofa. In the study, there's a computer and a bookcase. My mum works in the study. Oh, hi, Mum.
Hello, Anna. Yes, the study is my room.
In the kitchen, there's a table, a cooker, a sink, a dishwasher, a fridge and a freezer. Archie sleeps in the kitchen.
And we cook and eat in the kitchen.
Yes, of course.
Would you like a glass of orange juice?
Oh, yes, please.
There.
Thanks, Dad. Upstairs, there are 4 bedrooms and a bathroom. There's Mum and Dad's room, Jessica's room, Tom's room, and my room. That's Jessica's room. It's very nice. That's Tom's room. It's, okay. In the bathroom, there's a bath, a toilet, and a sink. And in my room, there's a desk, a bed, and a stereo. I love my room. It's the best room in a house.